Hey guys, what is up? Welcome to State of Crypto, one-stop source for all crypto-related news and technicals. I'm your host Martin, and this is episode 483. What? No applauses today? That's fine. Maybe applauses tomorrow. Anyway, guys. Yo, what's up? A lot of people in the stream so far. I'll go through the list in a second. Now, if you're catching the stream live, welcome. And if you're catching the replay and have any suggestions for us, please leave us a comment below. We'll want to know what you're thinking. Also, if you want to be up to date with the latest crypto-related news, make sure to subscribe, hit the like button and that bell so you're notified when we go live. If you want to keep on chatting with us, once the stream is done, join us in Discord. Links in the description, so it's linked to our Twitter. And on that note, I want to move over to the main screen, man. There we go. Ooh, look at that. Great. I think that should be off. Yo, what is happening with crypto, right? A lot of things going up tonight. That's so cool, man. Who's in the house? MA, what's up? You're the first one here. Awesome. Bring facts. Todd, what's up, dude? Worried about DVT? I'm not. It's gonna be good. Paul, what's up? Sleazy. Yo, what's up? Who else in here? NJ. Myrtle, Mooney Mike, right, man? Jorge Carranza. Bitcoin Mob. Joshua Davis. Isaiah Moore. Thank you for being here, man. Michael Mike. Bring facts. Andu. Great, man. So many people in the house. Thank you for being here. Thank you for joining me tonight. Got to go. Yo. Cool, man. So many people here. It's so great. Something out here real quick. So, let's get to the markets and figure out what is going on, right? Brian Ori, what's up, dude?
What's up?
Let's get started, man. So market cap, right? We had this line of resistance. We broke out of it. That's fine. We still have support. We pumped a little bit more yesterday, which is really good. 6.89%, approximately 72.1 billion. Still confirming that we want to be above that $1 trillion mark, which is really good. Right now, sitting at 1.12 or 1.13 trillion dollar. Today going up 0.89%, approximately $9.43 billion, which again, pretty cool for Bitcoin, right? So I want to check something else real quick that we haven't checked in a while. It's gonna be the crypto market cap without Bitcoin, right? We've seen this a while back. We just haven't come back to it often. If you see this line that I drew here at 421.56, that was the previous closing for all-time high, right? Not the wicks, but the closing. And I'll even zoom here so you guys can see right there. So we're above that area, which is pretty good. Now, we still got to get and break $474 billion for alts, right? And that's going to be key. That's going to be super important for Bitcoin. Now, if we do that, we're looking at and if we do that and crypto start, like alts start gaining against Bitcoin, we could looking at some crazy gains for alts, right? If you remember last time back here, right, when this was happening on December 2018, 17, 18, when this happened and Bitcoin dropped in percentage, right, on market cap, alts were like 60+% of the market, and Bitcoin was just like 35% of the market. Now it's opposite, because right now Bitcoin, it's still 62% of the market, and that is pretty impressive if you think that, you know, how much it's in store if alts still manage to pump a lot more, right? Now I'm obviously waiting for alts or market cap for alts to keep on going higher. That'll be extremely good. And that being said, again, bullish outlook, right? Getting above this line it's really good for alts, right? If we maintain this area, we keep looking for more action to the upside. Wow, video, yo, what's up, man? Let's go to Bitcoin dominance at 70.03. So it recovered, sorry, not 70.3, that's 62.41. 70.03 is the line I have up here. 62.39. Yesterday, we lost a little bit of dominance, 0.73. Today, gaining very little, 0.05. And yeah, pretty good for dominance. I wish Bitcoin keeps on dropping dominance. That's going to allow for the alts to move more. Where's Bitcoin at? $37,935. $166.12 right now. So 37,900s, right? That's a pretty good area. We got above the 37,300 area, which was an area that we wanted to get above. We talked about that yesterday. We did move down slightly. We didn't quite touch it as support, but close enough. And now we're trying to bounce and see if we're going to go higher to the previous high of 40,023. That line I drew in today, you'll see in the 4 hour or the 1 hour, there seems to be a lot of resistance around that area. So it could be an area that we could hit and see resistance there. We don't have anything on the daily. High, low, positive, positive, high on our side to a lower point. Just bought at 62.49. So, Joel, what's up? And thank you for being here. So let's go to Bitcoin on the 4 hour chart. Right. So Bitcoin, the 4-hour chart, it is starting to develop some strong bearish divergence, right, for potential action to the downside. Now we're going from this high to this high here. All right, let me make this yellow again. There you go, man. And we're coming from a high point to a lower point, right? And on the other side, we don't have it. We're going higher, or we're bought at 71.09, 71.08. But against the MACD, we do have this strong bearish divergence for potential action to the downside, right? So just something that we got to observe. It could bring us back to test support at 37,391. That wouldn't be bad, actually. It would kind of be beneficial for Bitcoin to test support and then run again. Super happy with Bitcoin and the way it's playing on the 4-hour chart. Still on target for that move to the upside, right? Maybe bouncing at the support, right, of the falling wedge. Could be looking for a measure move of approximately 46,000, right?
If you made profits today, drink. Social, clinking beer mugs.
Yo, bring facts, dude. Thank you very much for that, man. Legendary, man.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much for that. Let's hype more in the beginning, dude, so we can get back into the party mood. But thank you very much for that, man. Yeah, it was really, really good. You said cheers, right? I'm drinking water today, so cheers, man. But thank you very much for that, man. Thank you for the awesome donation. I really appreciate that. Let's keep rolling. Let's see what's happening here on Bitcoin, right? So the 4-hour already established that we're looking for this bearish divergence, right, for potential action to downside. Let's see how that's going to play out. Let's go to the 1-hour chart. On the 1-hour chart, we had bearish divergence, move down, hit that 20 and took another pop, right? Now, the only thing that I'm looking at here is the divergence that we're creating from low to high here, right? From this low here. It's the same thing. It's low to high move, right? And I'm just going to go from one island to the next, right? So from this island to this island. We're going from high, right, to low. Thus, we have strong bearish divergence. We don't have it against our side, just against the MACD for potential action to the downside. And it's the second candle that we're getting a move down. That's so cool, Jake. Send me a picture, man. Anyways, there's that strong bearish divergence. Something that I was talking about yesterday and I went on the Discord to place was this, right? So we had this potential rising wedge here. I'm going to make it blue right now so you guys can follow along what I'm looking at. So this potential rising wedge, right, that broke down, hit the 20, managed to hold support at the 236 on the fibs that we have on this chart. And then it just moved higher on divergence, right? On a hidden bullish divergence. And we moved higher than the previous high, thus confirming that we are bullish indeed on Bitcoin, which is really cool, man. I like that. Make Detroit great again. Thank you for being here, man. Much appreciated. So seeing Bitcoin move up, it's pretty good. Again, happy with the way Bitcoin's performing right now. Could still pull down to that 20 at 37,000. Try to find support before it actually pumps back up again. It's gonna be really nice, man. So I'm gonna go to Bitcoin, this chart real quick. Just draw the divergence, the hidden bullish that we pumped off. And I'm gonna move on to Ethereum to see what that is doing, right? There we go. Right, so on to Ethereum. What is happening with Ethereum, man? Jerry Nadell, thank you for being here. Bring facts, a long time back holder. Start back Ethereum, but wow. So 19 to 20, 19 to 120. That's a pretty good area to get into Ethereum. Ethereum, dude, making all-time highs. It's insane, dude. It's so cool that Ethereum has been going so much high, dude. It's really cool. So high, higher, high. We are kind of losing the divergence against the MACD, but we still have it against the RSI, right? That strong bearish divergence that we're looking at. So here we go, right? Going higher, coming lower still against the RSI, and with that, Potential action to downside. Here I have something that it shouldn't be here, so I'm not sure if it's from the 1 hour or the 4 hour. I'm just going to hide it for now. And again, there's a possibility for action to downside. New highs here on Ethereum. I didn't show you on Bitcoin the new area that I drew, but what? Whoa.
I really like you stream. You represent Mexico well. Hope Mexico is doing well, from America. Thanks for the late night entertainment, after I wind down from work.
Yo, bro, thank you very much for that, man. I really appreciate that. Legendary, man.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, dude, for the awesome $10 donation, Sleazy, and for the kind words. I really appreciate that, man. Yeah, thanks so much for the support, guys. I really appreciate y'all for the awesome support you're giving this channel. So this, I'll just anchor. Yeah, it's on the daily, so it's great. So again, starting to create that bearish divergence. Could move us down. I'm just going to raise this a little bit to the high, and that high would be here at 1,698.56. There we go. Oh, dude. 1,600. I forgot the 6 there, man. I was like, it didn't move very much. There we go. All right, so we're hitting that area and rejecting. That's become our new high, which is really cool, man. Hoping Ethereum's going to take a dip back. It might take a small dip back, right? I know, it's so cool, man. So strong bearish divergence, actually downside. Let's go to the 4 hour. On the 4 hour Ethereum, I do believe we're clear divergence, right? We had the strong bullish here. This is what I sent back from the daily that I didn't know where it belonged to, but it belonged here. Strong bullish divergence, fraction to the upside. We're running on that high or positive high on their side to a higher point. Everything's good. Overbought at 80.80. That's the only thing I don't like, that it's overbought. Felipe Mendez, VT. Sure, man. Jake said Discord EM, so. Ah, that's nice, man. So, let me see if I can, that just goes there, man. I'm not gonna be able to make it large because I don't use the whole screen, but this is a new display that Jake got. It might be tiny in your screens, but that's really, really cool display for crypto, man. That is awesome, man. I actually like that. Be tight. Right, so we have this bullish divergence, which is pumping us, and that's great. Nothing bearish on the short term. Let's go to the 1 hour Ethereum and see what we have there, right? So in the 1 hour, we did come back, hit that support at 1,514 that we drew yesterday because we didn't know it was going to be there. We just gauged that there might be something there, and we hit it very nicely, getting above that area, and pretty cool moves on Ethereum, right? Now, we're still coming from high to a higher high. I'll just take it by parts, but this goes from one island to the next. All right. Anchor this here. There we go. And we're coming from high to low, right? So from here to here. And from here to here. Great. So with that, we have that strong bearish divergence. Potential action to downside. Then from here to here, we're still also going higher. And then, you know, we're still coming lower here. So high to low and high to low as well. So strong bearish divergence, potential for action to downside. So it wasn't just Bitcoin that had that bearish divergence. Ethereum also has it, and it's getting the same play, right? Now we're getting 2 red candles that are moving us down. And with that, it just lets us know a little bit that the markets are more or less in sync, particularly Ethereum and Bitcoin, right? That they're both getting that divergence. Moving down and moving down, primarily hit that 20 at 1,611. If we break there, might try to find support at 1,514 again. We'll see. Anyways, before I move on to XRP, I want to show you this line on Bitcoin and why I drew this line here at 40,023, which again, look, right? It was resistance, right? Kind of held support, then support, resistance, right? And then resistance again. That's what I'm saying, that there might be a potential resistance on Bitcoin at 40,023 on a move up, which we'll see once we get there, right? So on that note, let's move on and check out XRP. So I gotta put the new coin on the list, man. I've forgotten to. There we go, man. Comp and VT. You mind putting BAO on the list? Sure, man. Hey, Poppy Pizza 503, what's up, man? So that's it for Ethereum. Again, let's start with XRP and see what XRP is doing, man. So on the daily, right? We're still trying to. Here we go on the daily. Great. We're still holding on to that range that we move up to, right? That 45.83 to 37.07. That's fine. We don't have anything bearish happening here except for this bearish divergence that we created here, the hidden bearish that moved us down, but nothing else since. And we're neutral at 57.49. Let's go to the 4-hour chart, man. Thank you, and more. I appreciate that. If you guys like what we do, you know what to do. Hit the like button, the sub, right? So we have this hidden bullish, right, on the 4-hour, which making us rise a little bit. Still failing to get above this 40-cent mark and sustain the prices above there on the 4-hour. You don't have anything bearish, high, low, right? Low, high, negative, less negative, low on the other side to our point. Nothing, dude. Nothing happening with XRP. Neutral 49.32. Let's go to the 1-hour chart. And then on the 1 hour, we're looking at this divergence here, right? So hidden divergence, right? Sorry. Let me move it. There we go. So hidden bearish, move down slightly. Haven't created anything bullish, but we are starting to go slightly higher here, right? So from here to here, slightly higher. And we're definitely moving lower. All right, so high to low. Look at this, right? From here to here. So strong bearish divergence. Strong bearish divergence for potential action to the downside in XRP. Moving down, hitting that 20, trying to find support right now. It wouldn't be weird if we actually found support and try to pump a little bit more. But being the state of XRP and how things are going with it, I'm not sure if it's still going to be super bullish. We know this is a fabricated pump. It could try to start regaining territory, but you know, this move that we've been getting to the upside after we got across the MACD over the signal line does not seem to be really making it pump a lot. So it's just kind of like, it feels weak. It doesn't feel as strong, right? It should be pumping with strength if it was going to move somewhere. Will XRP and the SEC settle on February 22nd? I'm not sure. We'll see. Neutral 49.09. This is for XRP, man. Again, not really doing a lot. Let's go to Litecoin, dude. At $151.66. Also, Litecoin climbed very nicely yesterday, 9%, right? Today, sitting at, like I said, $151.63. Not really getting to its previous resistance here. It did get above its high, which is fine, but we have resistance at 164. I was really hoping that it was going to get up there again, particularly with the way that Bitcoin and Ethereum were pumping. I was really hoping that Litecoin was going to be performing better. We don't have anything bearish. High to low, positive, positive, high, low on the RSI, neutral at 57.21. Let's go to the 4-hour. Low, high, positive, more positive, right? Yeah, look at that. Positive, more positive, high, higher, high. Just on the last bit here, right? So from here to here on this last stretch of price action, we are starting to create some bearish divergence, strong bearish divergence for potential actually the downside on Litecoin, right? And that's going from here to here, from here to here, and from high to low on the RSI, right? So positive is positive on the MACD, high to low on the RSI, and with that, pushing back down slightly, right? So again, bearish divergence, we're getting the movement to the downside. Right now, we're still bought at 62.39. Let's go to the 1 hour and see if we have something there that could be bullish. So yeah, sure, the 1 hour we had bearish divergence. Actually, the downside went there, hit that 20, taking a pop, drop, hit the 20 again, and trying to pop again. But every time we're popping, look from here to here, you're gonna see that we don't have. We're going like we have strong bearish divergence, but it's just going to like from positive to negative, right? So it just keeps on like hitting that area. So positive to negative, and if we pump one more to here, we're still going to negative, right? So again, strong bearish divergence against the MACD and the RSI. Look at that. So again, it's not just Ethereum and Bitcoin now. Also, Litecoin has a strong bearish divergence. For potential action to the downside, moving down, we're below the 20, so we're going to try to find support at the previous high of June 2019, July 2019, at 146.27. Wow, AAVE went up? That's so cool, man. I don't think AAVE is on the list. If you guys want to request it, that's fine. Sorry if I'm not super upbeat today. I'm feeling really tired, actually, so. Wasn't a really good night with the kids last night. So let's go to the 1 hour chart. What do we have here, man? AAVE? Sure. Get some rest tonight? Yeah. Jeffrey Elmore, what's up, dude? Yeah, I kind of did. I even forgot to like flip the lights. That's why the shadow's all weird today. It's been a really heavy day, man. One quick second, guys. I'm gonna be right back to do RSR. Just give me one quick second. Yo, thank you guys for sticking with me through that small break. Now, if you like what we do here, hit the like button on the sub. I fixed the lights real quick. It was really bothering me because I have some plants back here, and I use the LED lights to give them light throughout the day. And right now, I was like, damn, I need light. This is Leezy, what's up? That's exactly why you threw a tip. The man hustles should charge for the request. Yeah, that's fine, man. Thank you, man. Appreciate that. Yeah, for real, dude. I have a lot of pepper plants behind the desk. I showed them the other day. You're not gonna get them with the best lighting right now, but like, there we go, right? A lot of pepper plants, bro. Lots and lots of pepper plants. I'm waiting for the temperatures to be proper so I can take them outside. Yeah. The chart I'm using, it's TradingView, dude. I use TradingView. Peppers, let's go. Yeah, dude. Peppers are good. Let's go to RSR. It's like in my small greenhouse here, man. Pumping peppers. Yeah. It's gonna be wild, man. Well, let's keep rolling, man. RSR, let's go on the daily. Do we have something high-low, positive, high-low? Nothing bearish, just the hidden bullish. Still pumping on that. Holding support at the 20, sitting at 3.9. I'm not super worried. I'm a little bit disappointed that they didn't pump with Bitcoin and the other ones. Last time it did pump with Bitcoin and Ethereum. This time I just kind of hang back. Neutral at 54.59. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. There we go. Yeah, behind the screens. I know. It's crazy, dude. Lots of peppers. Anyways, let's go to the 4 hour. Low, high, positive, positive, high, higher, high. Great. Don't have anything bearish. Don't have anything bullish right now. That impulse up again, flagging. We could consider this flagging. Would have loved it. Would have just dropped to a 20 and bounced. Not doing that yet. Neutral at 55.16. So not a lot happening with RSR on the 4 hour. Let's go to the 1 hour, man. AAVE has a reverse head and shoulders. Great, man. Once we get to it, we'll check it out, man. Yeah. So the 1 hour, right? We had the bearish divergence. Breaking down on that, that's fine. Low, high, negative, less negative. Okay, so from here to here. Right, first things first. Low to high, negative or negative, right? On the other side, we don't have it. So low to high every time, so that's fine. But against the MACD, we did create this hidden bullish divergence for potential action to the upside, which is really good. That's what got us to pump. Failed to go higher in the previous high. Thus we're dropping. We're failing to drop lower in the previous low, and then we try to pump lower in the previous high, and now we're dropping lower in the previous, dropping higher than the previous low. And with that, we're looking at a triangle forming right here. It'll be something like this. So like this, and like this, right? So again, we're making a symmetrical triangle on RSR, right? We're just really tightening on a range, and we're gonna see where we're gonna go from there, man. OXT, cool. SNX, got it, man. GTO, UTK, sure, man. Binance, sure, man. Just updating the list real quick, guys, right? OXT, SNX, GTO, UTK, and BNB. There we go. Silica, sure, man. I will put Silica on the list as well. Actually, tonight, I think I'm going to take 20 requests, and we'll see how the stream is going by then, and we'll see if we can continue, or if I'm just going to call it an early night tonight. I'm feeling really, really tired. So I really want to get the, give you guys the best analysis, and I just don't want to be here, like, dragging the stream, feeling, like, completely burned out by the end. So we'll see, man, right? I'm super tired, so I'm going to try to get through at least 20 coins. Yo, thank you very much for that, Van B. I appreciate that, man. I have on the list? Yeah, it's on the list. I just saved it. Should be updating in a second, right? Again, if you guys like what we do, right, hit the like, the bell, and the sub. Please do. The requests get ridiculous. I know. So anyway, fine. Well, I'll just take a break after 20 coins, right? So I'll just put like 2 dashes here for the... So I know that we had a queue 2 more coins. And after that will be no more coins for tonight, right? Or we'll see. Pending. List pending. Or something, I'm not sure. There we are. So it's updated, dude. It's just gonna have like double dot, like some dashes towards the end. That's just it. That's why I know that we have 2 more coins, and then we'll see. Let's rolling with RSR. Oh, that's it, dude. We already finished. Low, high, negative. Yeah, we just finished it. So let's move on to DVT, man. See, like my brain's gone. Where's the DVT at, man? I'm not liking the action it's getting, right? A lot of you guys feel the same way. 1,507. Sorry, 1,000. 0.00. So 0.1507 cents. It's been moving down, right? I mean, I'm not super worried for it. It does have a lot of bullish things coming out, right? They have like Binance, wrapped Binance on Binance, wrapped DVT on Binance Smart Chain. There's so many things coming out for Binance, but I think that's the most important one. Once that one launches, it's going to be really interesting. So that's something that I'm looking at, right? For that move, which is going to make a lot more people aware of the project, and it might get more pumps. So right now, I'm not really worried about Binance. I am, however, looking probably to add more at like 4 sats, which is not a really bad value, I consider, for me to add on. So that's pretty good. Let's get here the MACD and the RSI. Let me bring it up. RSI, man. So again, guys, if you know, like, I disclosed this plenty of times. I'm part of their marketing, the AO. I did the project because I got into it a while back, and I was buying so much of the project. I got a good chunk of the project, yeah, then I liked the project and what they were doing there, and I became part of their talked to them, and I became part of their marketing DAO. So yeah, that's how that story went. But again, I'm not shelling the project or pushing the project. I'm analyzing it like I do any other coin. The only reason I look at it is because you know, I hold some of this, and I'm really interested to see how my money is gonna do. So look, we had a quick flash crash and recover, which is fine. And here I'm looking at some strong bullish divergence, right? So from here to here and from here to here. So with that, we're looking at potential action to the upside. We recovered, moving sideways a little bit. We could continue going higher. There's nothing bearish happening right now. So just a strong bullish divergence on the 1 hour, right? Let's go to the 4 hour chart. So the 4 hour, we had bearish divergence back here. Like, I'll just kind of draw it here because it's not gonna let me put it up here because of the price is right there. But we had divergence here just from low to high, right, on the price. So strong bearish divergence. We moved down on that, which was fine. And we know we created some hidden bullish from here to here. Then we started to be cradled, which is fine. And low, right, look at this. Low, right, lower low. Negative momentum to less negative momentum. So we have some strong bullish divergence. We don't have it against the RSI, just against the MACD, but it's strong bullish divergence. And with that, we have potential for action to the upside, right? Which is really cool for DVT. That being said, that's it for the 4 hour. Let's go to the daily and see what we have there, man. Just making sure I'm not missing anything important here. Now we're starting to create some hidden bullish also, right? Look, low to high. Negative, more negative, right? Nothing against the RSI, but against the MACD, we have hidden bullish on the daily, right? Strong bullish on the 4 hour, right? And then also, we had strong bullish on the 1 hour. Now it's not switching to the 1 hour, but that's fine. We had it on the 1 hour as well. So on that note, I'm going to start moving through the requests. After, I guess, OMG, I'll do a quick recap of Bitcoin and Ethereum. And we'll see where we're at there. Then after that, I'll probably do a recap after UTK, I guess. That's going to be every 8 coins or something. Tonight was supposed to be a good day for Bitcoin, right? Like, you know, whatever that micro strategies came out, and then apparently everyone's super bullish on Bitcoin. So that could have helped with the price action going up. So we might still see more action to the upside on Bitcoin, just in the fact that there's so many good news out there, right? Revolution did a nice segment on Ethereum. You're holding gears. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Let's go to Yuma. Yuma on the daily, man. Nothing happening, right? It just took off, so it's fine to get above the 1618. And then someone get a lot of pullback right now, trying to go back up again. That's fine. I'm not seeing anything. We're just way outside of the Bollinger Bands. We tend to want to come back into the Bollinger Bands. We'll see. Right now, overbought at 91.71, so also highly overbought, right? So that's things to watch out for. Just highly overbought. It's super bullish, but for me, it's probably not really good entry right now for Yuma. Let's go to the 4 hour chart. High, 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 positive and positive, high on the RSI to higher point, and nothing bearish either. Again, rejecting that 1618 or below that 1618 on this candle. And let's go to the 1 hour chart. And wow, it looks weird. Every chart, it's a little bit different. But yeah, sorry, we were getting above that 1618. Right now, we're trying to stay in that 1618. So high, 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 positive, positive, high on the RSI to higher point. There's nothing bearish, dude, on Yuma. It just went insanely high, got pulled back, trying to pump back up again. Right now, being weaker. Right, and if we manage to hold on to the 1618, we could be looking to maybe get another go or consolidate this area a little bit before we try to run again. If not, we really could be looking for a strong move down still, maybe hitting that 20 at 20.29. We'll see for Yuma again. Not really the strongest, right? Oh, there's something I forgot to mention on Bitcoin, right? I'm gonna have to like go back to it and talk about it. So again, Yuma's super strong, not seeing anything bearish, but again, you know, the fact that it's overbought, it's trying to recover, like pulling back, etc. It could be setting up for another move, or get a consolidate though. That's why we'd be expecting to see consolidation of some sort before we actually move again. If we don't, it could be trouble, right? Let's go to OMG, dude. Hi, welcome, Andrew. Thank you for being here, man. Much appreciated.
What's up?
What is happening with OMG? Right, so OMG on the daily, right? High, higher, high. Then hello, and what is this? It's 66.71, 66.07. So high to low also, right? So bearish divergence, strong bearish divergence on the daily for OMG Go. We have another one. Oh yeah, we have this other chart. Which was the one we've been looking at? This one. All right, cool. So I already had this divergence again. For some reason, some of my data disappeared from the chart, but that's where that would be matched. And then this would be from here to here. So we had the hidden bullish, taking a pop. And now we're still managing to go higher, right? But being that this is one island and this is another island, we want to go from one island to the other one, from the highest point to the highest point. So strong bearish divergence. And then against the RSI, we also have that strong bearish divergence, right? So what means to go, potential correction to the downside. Moving down right now, trying to hold support at the 382 at 4.49. Right now sitting at 4.50, which is barely above that area. Again, not doing super bad. The Chief, what's up, dude? Thanks for being here.
What's up?
Let's go to the 4-hour chart. Last thing we had was this strong bullish here, right? This line that I have here should have been matched with something here like that. Great. There it is. We didn't have it against the RSI, just against the MACD. And we had that strong bearish, moved us down, created that strong bullish, pumping. Now, short term here, from the previous island to here, we don't have anything. Just within the same island. That's what I'm looking at right now. So from here to here, that is a move. From here to here. And from high to low also, right? Positive, high to low on the RSI. So with that, we have strong bearish divergence or potential action to downside. Again, I'm gonna clean these up. Forgot to do this the first time I drew them, so sorry about that. We'll see what else is happening here with projects, right? Why did I call resistance support? Where did I call resistance support, dude? Like, which project, dude? G in Italy, dude. Not sure, dude. I'm super done today, man. I'm really tired, so sorry if I called something off. You think we have trend reversal on Bitcoin or Ethereum? Mark Hill, thank you very much for that awesome donation, dude. I really appreciate that.
Do you think we have a trend reversal on BTC or ETH?
Challenge accepted.
I'll check it, man.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary, man. Thank you very much for the donation. I'll give you the Elvis. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, what up, bro? Yeah, I'll go back to Bitcoin, dude. Just let me finish on Easy Go, and I'll go back to Bitcoin Ethereum, and we'll check those out, man, right? So I'm not sure where I called a resistance support or support, whatever. We're holding support here, man. Why are you saying it's resistance? We're above that area. So it is support. So I'm not sure what you're asking there, G. But thanks for being here, man. Bearish divergence, potential fraction of downside, starting to move down a little bit. Nothing bullish happening. And the bought at 67.08. That's it for this, man. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. You look at VT already. No, I haven't. It's on the list. It's going to be coin 10, actually. Thank you for asking, man. Appreciate that. Yeah, let's keep rolling, man. 1 hour chart. High, higher high. All right. And we're definitely coming much lower here also on a Easy Go, right? So we have that strong bearish divergence developing. Moving down, we might try and find support here at the 20 at 4.44. Again, good stuff happening here on Easy Go. Oh, lower, and then are we doing? Did we do some strong bullish back here? Yep. Again, it's kind of one of those things that we have, which is kind of nice. But we did create some strong bullish divergence back here before we actually rallied, and that's pretty cool, man. Right, so it's like supported by something, right? It's not like we just pumped. Like we have strong bullish, we rallied, get above that resistance at the 20, then we used it as support, taking that very nice bounce. Drop slightly. Did we create some hidden divergence here? Yep, hidden bearish. That's what we dropped. Right. So hidden bearish divergence. Sorry, not hidden, strong bearish divergence. What am I talking about? My head is gone, bro. What? Thank you. I was about to check the video at the back. Oh, thanks, man. I'll keep going, man. Again, strong bearish divergence. Actually, downside, right? That's great. Taking another pop, creating more strong bearish divergence, and then moving down on that, man. High to low, right? Neutral at 56.27. That's it for a minute ago. Let's go check out. Okay, so moving down again, targeting the 20 at 4.44. Let's see if we see that support. Minutes ago on the sorry, not a minute ago. Bitcoin, dude. There we go. Bitcoin. Someone said trend reversal. Look, something I'm looking out for, or I was watching out for, was a potential double top happening, right? So, what am I looking at for a double top? I'm looking at this high here, which I'm going to measure right now. I mean, here is not really that high. It's at 1.46. So this could be one top. This could be another top that is starting to form. I'm not sure if that's going to be the case right now. It's potentially looking for that right now. We do have strong bearish divergence, fraction of downside. We talked about that. There's a possibility that Bitcoin might want to move down. And I would be really worried if we pumped more here on the daily, right? We don't have that double top, so we're kind of clear. But I'm going to get worried if we get up here, or even up here, this feels high, and create a double top here. And then that could spell action and downside, right? So again, just looking out for those potential double tops forming. And again, on the 1 hour chart, right, we have that strong bearish divergence, fraction of downside. Starting to move down the last two candles, right? The question was, do we have a trend reversal in Bitcoin Ethereum? I don't think we have a trend reversal yet. The 20, if you look at it as a straight line, more or less, I just went like that, could be working as a sort of support right now, right? Look at that line I just drew, right? Support, 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 right? We could be using it as support. So unless we break that line, I wouldn't be looking for any kind of reversal right now. We do have strong bearish divergence. It does imply action to the downside. But if we don't break the 20, we might still be good, right? And apparently there's a lot of bullish news for Bitcoin. So Ethereum, dude, that's the next one we're going to recap. So Ethereum is more or less the same as, it's doing something similar to Bitcoin, right? We have the strong bearish divergence for potential action to downside starting to come down. On the 4 hour, right, we're clear of divergence, of bearish divergence. We had the strong bullish, we've just been climbing, everything's good. We haven't created anything bearish. We were just highly overbought at 81.19, and right now we're starting to move down slightly. We're bought at 76.32. And on the 1 hour chart, man, what are we doing here on the 1 hour chart? High, higher, high. Also, it's positive, high, low, right? So strong bearish divergence, action to downside. We started to move down on Ethereum. Now, where can we go? Well, I did say that primary target will very likely be the 20. See if we can find support there. And that'll be at 1,610, which was pretty cool, right? So again, let's see if we can find support there. I'll be looking for something similar here on Ethereum, right? By drawing some kind of line here, like this. Right, support, support, support. Right, a couple supports here. So we could be coming down to this line, which again, the 20 more or less serves as that line for now. So I'm going to remove it, and we could be trying to find support there. If we break it with the bearish divergence, right, and we break that line, yeah, we could be looking for a movement down. Potentially 1,514 would be a target for Ethereum, right? Sure, man. Have 2 spots left. One of them will go to Algo, I guess. Definitely. What's up? Thanks for being here.
What's up?
Thoughts on Algo and Adam? Algo hasn't been requested, or he just got requested, so it's going to be coin 19. Adam hasn't been requested. Right? So let's keep rolling comp. So up next, right? Comp, BT, VTHO, AAVE, OXT, SNX, GTO, and UTC, right? Awesome, dude. Again, so from not my cheerful self, I'm really tired today. I already stated that a couple times, guys. It's just like been a massive headache of a day, man. So I'm super tired. It was a really rough night last night. Above the 1618, which is pretty good. Again, trying to hold support there. Going higher, more positive, nothing bearish. Like I said, it's on a bull trend, right? No amount of bearish divergence. It's gonna be really hard for bearish divergence to indicate or to go there, right? So what I'm looking at is that when we're in a bull trend, and we stated that plenty of times, the bearish indicators have a lesser chance of playing out. So we know that, right? So that's why we're doing this. Did I do BNB? No, it's gonna be at coin 17, Jerome. Right now we're at coin 9. So a couple more coins, bro. Thanks for asking, though. So comp. Went down slightly. Let's go to the 4 hour. 4 hour, we had the bearish divergence move down, hit the 20 support, hidden bullish. Taking that pump right after we use the 20th support, which is really good. But again, this is just starting to build, right? This is very small and it's starting to build, and we are creating strong bearish divergence. But this new island is just starting to grow, so you know it's just the first green bar of the new island. So I would be probably waiting a little bit more, see how the next couple candles come, see if we manage to keep that positive momentum or lose it. If we lose it again, we could be looking for fractional downside again. Maybe try to break below that 1618 or even break below the 20. Right now, this is what I'm looking at here for comp, right? It's from the 1 hour. There we go. So with that, again, right, we have this potential for action downside. Strong bearish divergence. That's that, man. Jerome, I haven't done Binance yet. I'll do it in a little bit, man. What is it meant by overbought? It just means that, you know, it's... Well, this is what it means, dude. It's overbought. It's highly bought and should be coming back down to neutral, right? So on relative strength, we're really high. So how this works is like your 50 is your neutral, right? And then you can move to 60 or 40, and you're still within the neutral range. And from 60 to 70, you're getting to that bought area, right? Where the asset is being bought more than usual, and you tend to want to come back to your neutral zones. You want to tend to drop a little bit. Or we also get to sold from that 30 to from that 40 to 30. You get into the sold area, which again means the asset is being sold too quickly, and it wants to go back to its neutral zone. And we get the same thing happening here when we get to overbought, right? It just means that it's highly bought, and it's being bought a lot more than usual. So yeah, it could be that it's inflated, and you are expecting some kind of pullback to happen or a movement down to come back to neutral. There's two ways you come back to neutral, right? You either take a quick drop, which gets you to neutral, or you consolidate sideways, which will slowly make this new price its regular base, would say, and then we'll slowly start to decrease onto this area, right? So yeah, I'll put something on the Discord, man, that explains this a little bit better, man. Right now, like, I'm really done for like explaining things right now. We don't have anything here on the 1 hour. Higher, positive, more positive, high, there's at the higher point. Nothing bearish, nothing bullish either. So that's fine. Comp is just pumping. They just went on the same rally. Low, high, negative, less, negative, low, and there's at the higher point. Hit over bought. Look at that, right? It came down really quick. It just reset almost. It hit 60, so it's bought still. But we'll see where it wants to go, right? I want to look at Ethereum. So yeah, again, this all related on their side to price change, right? The strength of the price change. So you will get really high, you want to tend to come back down, right? It just means you're going too high too fast. So you see. Sleazy, I seem miserable. Yeah, I'm feeling really tired, man, today. I'm sorry about that. It's just like, really, I feel like burned, man. But thank you for being here, man. I appreciate that, dude. You know I'm not my usual cheerful self, but well, something, dude. Let's get the high points. Let's go, man. I know, dude. It's just been a really, really bad day, man. I had a really crappy night. So I'm extremely tired. Let's go to VT, man. Take the night off. Nah, let's do this, man. It's not that many coins we gotta go through. We're halfway through the list, so. Plus, you already got the request lined up, so, you know, I just gotta do the request you guys are, like, putting there. We'll see. That'll pump, dude. If you keep on talking about a Telegram group that's gonna pump Bitcoin Cash, I wanna lose it, bro. For reals. Stop, like, chilling that crappy stuff here, man. I mean, it's not that type of channel. Right. So Ethereum dragging Bitcoin. No, Bitcoin actually started to drop first, I think. So Bitcoin's actually dragging down Ethereum. Let's go to VT. All right, so we have some hidden bullish divergence actually to the upside. That's pretty good. Got above that area of support, right? At right now, it's became resistance, right? So we got out of that area of resistance. It's now becoming support, but we're really trying to hold on to it at 2.8, and that's fine. We don't have anything else that is bearish. We had a strong bearish move down, hidden bullish, trying to pop. That is that consolidating right now. So neutral at 52.66, dude. John, Polkadot, sure, man. I'll just put it right after VT. Yeah, dude, it's insane.
Polkadot?
Polkadot? Sure, man. Why not?
Say it with me.
Legendary, man.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Why not? What up, dude? Thank you very much for that awesome donation. I really appreciate it. We'll even do the high point, man. I'm really, like, I need, like, something to up me, dude. I feel, like, down right now. Should probably, like, drink coffee or something. But coffee this hour of the night is probably going to be a really bad idea. Right, so we had bearish divergence, right? It's one of those things that because we had it, we kind of lost it because it performed. So when we were looking at this yesterday, it was high, slightly higher high, right? We pulled back down, so we had strong bearish divergence. Now we no longer have it, which again, it's okay, right? There we go, man. Let's just get rid of this. It's no longer there. Again, we're just consolidating sideways. Great. High, low, right? Still low. Less positive. Lower on the RSI. Neutral 52.06. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. Definitely, we really appreciate you. 193 watching. Dude, I know, only 73 likes. It's insane, right? Again, if you guys like what we do, hit the like button, the sub. Yo, let's do I have something here to, like, you know, I'm not sure. I don't think I have the right sound for like a pump or something, or a cheer. High, slightly higher, possible is possible, right? So we had the strong bearish divergence here on the VT 1 hour chart. We're moving down on that low, high, negative, less negative, low on the RSI to a higher point. Yeah, slightly higher point. So nothing bullish right now, but nothing bearish either. So again, we're just consolidating, right? We had the bearish divergence move down, and right now we're like we didn't even drop below that 2.8 cent area, right? We're just trying to hold support. Which is really good. We are below the 20. That's going to become a resistance now. Trying to find support here at 2.85. We'll see where it goes, right? Darvalis, what is up, dude? How about them cryptos? Yeah. That's it for VT, guys. I'm going to move on to DOT. Because we got an awesome donation for it, man. Thank you very much, dude, John, for the donation for Polkadot, dude. I really appreciate that. So let's go check out DOT, man. All right, so DOT is getting above, right? It's 3618, which is a really high fib node. And we're starting to develop strong bearish divergence. Look, we had it here, strong bearish divergence, went down, hit that 20, found support, pumped, got above that area of resistance. Now we're slightly higher. There's two things I don't like. One, we're outside of the Bollinger Bands, right? We pumped, that's fine. We squeezed them. Means volatility left real quick and came back in. Small squeeze of the Bollinger Bands exploded to the upside. We want to go back in. Great to be here, dude. Apostolic Mind, thank you for being here, man. Much appreciated.
What's up?
So we're looking at this, right? Strong bearish divergence, but just taking into account that this new island is starting to develop, right? It's the first green bar that we're making off strong bearish divergence against the against the other side. We still have it here. It's very slight, but it's there. And again, strong bearish divergence, potential for moving down. We're overextended on the Bollinger Bands. That means we're outside of the Bollinger Bands range. We usually tend to be, or with the Bollinger Bands at two standard deviations, most of the moves tend to be, or 95% of the moves tend to be within the Bollinger Bands, right? So when we're outside of the Bollinger Bands, we do tend to want to come back in. So that would imply that we're either looking for action to the downside or sustaining price here until the Bollinger Bands catch up with us, which is usually not the case, right? So that's DOT here on the 4 hour, on the daily. Let's go to the 4 hour DOT. Low high, positive, more positive, high, higher, high, right? Then we're right now when overbought. What? Yo.
Do you think we'll drop more?
Wesley, dude, thank you very much for that, man.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary, man. 2 up for the $2, man. Thank you very much for that, man. I appreciate it. Do I think Ethereum will drop more? Yeah, it could drop a little bit more, right? We have a support at 1,500 and change. I'll have to go back and look at it. Right after I finish DOT, I'll just look at the support in Ethereum. But it could probably drop a little bit more, right? It does have room for a small move to the downside. No, there's no static. What you hear is the pressure cooker. My wife cooked something and the pressure cooker. No, it's not static, dude. It's a pressure cooker relieving the pressure. So, yeah, sorry about that. It's like a small hissing noise in the background. I actually had to like remove my mics to hear it. It's loud enough so I can hear it. But if I stay quiet, it's short enough to where it doesn't hear. But yeah, I know. Because the mic's open, so the static goes through. The static, well, the pressure cooker goes through. Riley, I cannot tell you what to hold or what not to hold. It's entirely up to you. So DOT, again, nothing, right? Nothing bearish. Just overbought at 78.02. It should be coming down potentially. The 1 hour might give us a better clue, so I'm actually just going to go there. So the 1 hour DOT, let's see. Sorry if I'm quiet. I'm trying not to talk too much. That the pressure cooker noise doesn't come through, man. So, yeah, that's it, right? We do have some strong bearish divergence direction to the downside, and that's where we're starting to get this movement down. That's fine. We could try to, like, go to that 20 to try to find support. That would be actually really good. I wouldn't mind that. That drop to the 20 will be going low to high, negative, more negative, low on their side, maybe slightly lower. Who knows by then? But we on the MACD will definitely be developing some hidden bullish divergence at support, which could give us another pump, right? And do I have ORN on the list? No. It didn't come through on time. Sorry about that, man. So again, bearish divergence, action to downside. Right now, we're overbought still at 70.45. That's that for DOT, right? So again, there was a question regarding Ethereum and whether or not it could go lower. Let's go to Ethereum real quick. Ethereum at 1,651. Yep. Again, look, we're moving down. Again, we could come here to the 20 to find support at 1,612. If we failed there, we have support at 1,514. I don't think there's any other area that we could try to say support because it's never been on this area before, right? So I was trying to look here, see more or less what made sense, right, when we were doing this yesterday. And look, we still managed to drop there. This actually dragged onto there slightly, and that dragged onto there from yesterday. I just didn't drag them today, but you know, there it is. So bearish divergence, moved down, that great. Held support where we drew it, and now we're bouncing. So we're starting to pull back down a little bit. And it'll be really good if it hit the 20 and bounced. It could show that it's holding support, that it's still bullish, and it's holding strength. Other than that, you know, it's going to be, it could try to rally, but it could go lower than the previous high. That'll give more weight to this bearish divergence, and then we could see another movement down again, right? We'll see. I mean, it can still pump more, right? It can still make a higher high. It's super bullish right now, but you know, I would be waiting for some kind of pullback. At least it has a 20 to happen. Look, when we did here, it was really good. We hit that 20 a couple times, and then we just popped, right? So hitting the 20 is usually a good thing. You know, like holding support, being bullish, hitting that 20 really shows that bullishness that we have. So, dude, a lot of people in the house. Thank you for being here. If you like what we do, hit like them on the sub, dude. Alright, let's keep rolling, dude. Wow. What?
I've been blessed lately. I want to pay it forward. Thanks for what you do, Martin. Gemstone, celebratory hands in the air.
Bro, Dorvalis.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary, man. Thank you very much for that, man.
Thank you very much.
You're gonna get like a couple like one-ups, dude. Even a hype horn, dude. Like 2 more, dude. Thank you very much for that, man. I appreciate it, dude. I appreciate the support. I appreciate the love. I appreciate your kind donations, man. I really appreciate y'all for being here. And you know, yeah, thank you for being here tonight, guys. I mean, I know that I'm really tired. I am trying to like really just run through this, but you know, I appreciate you guys for understanding that I'm a human being. And I also get tired, man. Like, it was a really rough night last night. So like, I'm dying, dude. You're dying. Jeffrey's dying, dude. Let's keep rolling, man. I appreciate y'all. Let's keep going, man. Dude, a lot of things going up here, man. Wow. Yeah, let me keep rolling, right? You've been lucky. That's so cool, Dorvalis. I really appreciate that, man. I'm happy that you're doing good, man. If you guys like what we do, again, hit the like button, sub, right? Let's go to Bao. So I guess this coin will figure out what it wants to do, right? Yo, Brand, that's pretty cool. That's on AAVE. We're gonna get to AAVE after Bao, dude. So yeah, just give me a second then. Benjamin Apter, thank you for being here, man. I appreciate it. Let's go Bao, I guess. There we go. I was waiting for that to come through.
I have kinda big long position. I'd if I shoot exit. 9K profit already. Was 12K 1 hour ago.
So, Wesley, you're telling me they have a big long position. You don't know if you should exit 9,000. What asset, dude? I'm assuming Ethereum. And you're seeing the pullback. Yo, Apostolic, thank you for being here, man. Appreciate it, dude. I have the hey, what's up, dude? Bob, thank you for being here, man. GRT. Yeah, it's on the list, so it's down because I'll take the last spot, dude. It's the last one that came through as proper request, so it's Project 20. That's sad, dude. So Wesley said yes, Ethereum. All right. So I'll come back to BAO. I just answered that because you gave me a tip, and I was gonna start BAO, and I don't have anything out for this. So. Ethereum, right? Like I said, I am expecting some kind of movement down still. I'll go to the half hour just to see if we can find some kind of support, maybe to see why we could be bouncing here. I'm finding something. It's not the strongest indicator I would be looking for, but look, we have two things happening here on the half hour Ethereum, right? So right here. And the other question is whether or not you want to acknowledge this to be an island, right? So if you do, we're going to go from here to here. If you don't, we're not going to have anything, right? Look low. All right. So what, and I'll tell you what I'm looking at right now. So up here, what I'm looking at is this move from high to higher high on the half hour. And also here coming up higher, right? So strong bearish divergence, right? Against the MACD. And then we're creating this hidden bullish, which is what's trying to get us to go higher, but we're failing to get above that 20, right? That 20 has become resistance. So you're asking me like whether or not I do believe this is going to be going higher or lower. Right now, I'll tell you that it's really trying to find out whether or not it wants to pump a little bit more, man. That hidden bullish usually gets us to the 20. We already hit the 20, we're rejecting, but you know, we still have 18 minutes to go. And I would really wait, maybe. I'm not sure what your entry level was. Again, I cannot give you advice as to when to get in or out. But maybe we could, even if we drop, we might try to find some support here. It's not going to be super strong, but we might try to find some support here at 1,618, right? Look at that. We have a wick here before. And then we have like a couple body closes here. So something around this area should become support if Ethereum decides to move down, right? So that'll be something I would be looking for on Ethereum. Let me get a line, dude. There we go. Yeah, the market is bullish, but he has a long. That means that if the price drops a lot, he's gonna get liquidated. Look, man, you have 9,000 in profit. How greedy do you want to be? And would you rather take profit right now and open another long after it drops maybe a little bit more? Right? So, I mean, it's entirely up to you, man. Like, what was your strategy when you went in? Right? Wesley, that's what I would be basically asking, right? Like, what was your strategy? What was your out? I mean, you were at 12K. Now you're at 9K. I'm assuming you're using very huge leverage because the drop wasn't that strong. Would you be cool taking 9K, letting 3K go, and then waiting for to see what the market's going to do? Right? I mean, if it pumps again, you can try to get back into another long position. If it looks like it's going to drop, you might be waiting maybe until you find a bottom for it to like start pumping again. Out like 9,000 is a pretty good profit for a day of trading, right? So I would tell you that if you're going for 9K, you should probably be doing you should probably taking profits, man. And it's not advised. You can do your own thing, but you know, we'll see. What? There's a lot of stuff going on here. I'm gonna recap Bitcoin later on, man. Yo, so many people in the house. Thank you all for being here, guys. Again, if you like what we do, so many new people, hit the like button on the sub. Join us on the Discord. Links in the description as well. Trying to see if I can find something here. Market is bullish. Yeah. Market is bullish, right? I mean, we could get pullback. Wouldn't be bad. We still get pullbacks in a bullish market. Yeah, but wants to set up a stop loss, right? And take profit. So yeah, I would set up a stop loss where you want to take profit or take profit right now if you believe it's going to drop. Right, look, it's really not pumping with a lot of strength, that hidden bullish. Already hit the 20s, so I'm not sure right now if it's going to go higher or not. I'm trying to see if I'm missing anything here. Yeah. Thank you, dude. I appreciate it, Omar. You want the channel to blow up, but you don't want it because I'm not going to be able to read all the comments. I know, dude. I'm trying to come up with a way around that to where I'm going to find a way to do it this, right? And maybe have smaller streams for some people. We'll see, dude. like for the community on a smaller private streams, maybe every here and then for small times. You know, we'll see, dude. Apostolic Mind, dude. I didn't get to put that one on the list, man. I think the list was already full, but I'm like really tired today, man. So it'll depend by the time I get to GRT how we're doing. I even forgot to write it in here, man. So by the time I do GRT, I'll tell you whether or not I'm gonna be able to go through and do FTM, right? I'm like super tired right now, and a lot of people already know that. So that's why I set the list pending towards the end. It hasn't updated, man. I haven't even hit save here. That's why it hasn't updated. But list pending, it just means that I'm not sure if I'm gonna continue after 20 coins tonight. BAO, let's go here, man. What's happening with BAO coin, man, or BAO token or whatever? First, let's get some fibs, figure out where we're at. I'm gonna go high to low, but I don't have any other way to fib it right now. We're not making a valid retrace. We did hit that 1618, rejecting it. We're still between that 100% and 1618. I don't see anything bearish here right now, at least not against the MACD. Against the RSI, there's something happening here short term from here to here. And then from here to here, man. High to low, right? May, by the way, did the static go away? Let me know, because the pressure cooker, the pressure cooker's off, so I should not have any more of that static sound that you were mentioning. So I hope that's gone, right? Yeah, I know, dude. Health first. We're bought 77.40. Thank you, Dervalis, dude. I appreciate that. Yeah, it wasn't really static. It was a pressure cooker. I was 100% sure that was going to be the issue. Can't do anything about that, man. Wife needs to cook. I need to stream. Right, so high, higher, high, positive, more positive, high, higher, high, right? Low, high, negative, less, negative, low. On the other side of the hard point. Nothing bullish, dude. I'm not seeing anything bullish here. Even here, we might not. Let's see. Nope. Low, high. Nothing bullish, nothing bearish. It's just pumping, right? It's just went insanely high, insanely fast. From here to here, we had some strong bearish divergence, but we found that support at the 20, and we're bouncing, right? That's it, dude. There's nothing up here, which is what we would be looking for data right now in the 4 hour. See what is happening. But the 1 hour might give us a clue as to what is happening with this project, right? So from here to here, one quick second, guys. I'm back. It was a wife with the awesome tea hookup. So, what is bao? Well, the only bao I knew was that Chinese steam buns with like barbecue pork inside. But I'm not sure, dude. Someone requested this project, so we're checking it out right now. To connect, I know, dude. Tea's awesome, dude. Like, it has honey, so it might actually give me a little bit more energy, which is what I'm hoping, dude, to get that little kick. We'll see. Anyways, strong bearish divergence went down, hitting that 20, finding support, popping. Starting to flag, which is okay. Yeah, it's starting to flag, so yeah, it's okay. But we're bought at 72.81. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. Little yummy dumplings, yeah. Someone wants to eat some bao. Yeah, me too, man. Made me hungry. Can JD's happen? What? Ooh, we have a ghost that says, can JD's happen? Great, man. I'm not sure. Can what J happen? So let's go here. Short term, right? Look, strong bearish divergence from here to here. Again, right at that 1618. That's pretty cool, man. So let's get this here on the 1 hour chart. And then we're going high to low. and high to low as well, right? So strong bearish divergence, potential for action to the downside. And guess what we're making, guys? Guess what we're making? Some hidden bullish right now. And that's why we're starting to get this small climb, but we're rejecting the 20 every time. So we're not strong enough to get above the 20. We got to get above the 20. We want to get more price action to the upside here. We just have it against the MACD, nothing against RSI. Against RSI, the last thing we had is the bearish divergence. Right now, hidden bullish, trying to climb on that. We'll figure out how that goes, dude. What are my thoughts on ADA over the next month? I'm not sure, dude. Do I want to do ADA? No, it's going to be done later on, I guess. Or I'm not even sure if it's on the list tonight. No one's requested it, so it's not on the list. And I'm not sure if I'm going to get through Coin 20 tonight. So let's go to AAVE. AAVE. What is happening with the AAVE, man? Why is it not here? Oh, it's AA. That's why. I have everything in alphabetical order. I couldn't find AAVE, dude. I was like, what? What sorcery is this? Cryptoman 5000, what's up, dude? Thanks for being here. Ethereum on the 1 hour. Is that bearish divergence with RSI? What? Joel Bear, just wait for me to do a recap, man. I get a couple more coins to go before I recap. So AAVE, OXT, SNX, GTO, and UTK, dude, and then we'll recap. So AAVE, bearish divergence, moved down slightly, taking another massive pump, which is again doing really good, right? We're super bullish. Remember what I said? A bull trend, bearish indicators have a lesser chance of playing out. So going higher still, right? But we're still coming lower, at least from here to here, right? On the RSI, we have this strong bearish divergence. Ha ha ha! We'll see where we go. Cannot do fibs because we haven't made any valid retrace, right? What is this? 1029, 1042, slightly higher. Some more positive momentum. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. So last thing we had here, or we called on AAVE, was actually bullish stuff. So great, some bullish divergence. We got that magical pop, which is really good. High, higher, high, positive, positive, high on the other side to higher point. Overbought at 81.20. And again, awesome. Let's go to the 1-hour chart. We're going much higher. Last thing we had was this bearish divergence. It moved us down slightly, right? We called that one yesterday live, I guess. Yeah, like yesterday live. That's the last thing we had. We moved down slightly on that, right? Even to here would have had it. So to there and track that to there. And we moved down slightly, like I said. Then we took that massive pop. We're not creating anything bearish right now. Overbought at 76.02. So pretty cool, man. Yeah, you're welcome to False Flags. Thank you for being here, man. Much appreciated. That's it for AAVE, man. I'm going to start moving quickly through the coins. OXT. OXT on the daily. Oh, dude. What? There we go. Alright, so I'm going to go from one island to the next right now. On the daily. Great. We're going low to high, right? So we're going positive, less positive, low to high on the price, right? Positive, positive on the MACD. And here we're going from what is this number, dude? 68, 42, and 67. So also we have high to slightly low right here. So strong bearish divergence, potential fraction of downside. We're getting it at the 618, right? So that's okay, I guess. That was 618 again. Actually, the upside, finding resistance. That's awesome. Let's go to the 4-hour chart, man. Brent, boss, gotta run. Sorry for leaving early. Yeah, sure, man. I'll give you the high porn as you walk out, dude. Thank you for being here, man. Much appreciated. Again, if you guys are here and you're new to the channel and you haven't done it yet, hit like the button, sub. Thank you all for being here. Again, thanks for the awesome support that you give this community. And if you want to join us on Discord, I'll really appreciate that as well. Let's go to the 1-hour chart, 4-hour chart. Low, high, negative, less, negative, low on the other side to a slightly lower point. Yeah, maybe, dude. Let's see again. It's a low to high here. Slightly. 412533. So nothing here. And against the I think this is gonna be very slight. 63.33, and then this is 36.33, and this is 36.79. No, it's slightly higher, so that's fine. Let's get rid of this. I was looking for some bullishness, but I don't think it's there. Right, and let's see, higher, positive, more positive. High, there's the higher point. Nothing bearish. I'm not finding anything bearish here. Moving down. Again, just regular market motion. I'm not really seeing anything here, dude. Bought at 61.45. I'm gonna go to the 1 hour chart and see what we have there, man. I'm so bullish. I'm holding my portfolio on 3 times margin. Interesting. So, here on the 1 hour. What?
Had a great day with AAVE. Bought back in high at 418, too high, and waiting to see if it'll come back up. Looks like volume is picking up again. Liking the gradual climb so far.
Yo, Dan C, dude. Thank you very much for that, bro.
Say it with me.
Legendary.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much for that, dude. And like a couple 1-ups, I guess, and a high porn. Yo, thank you very much for the awesome $10 donation, dude. I really appreciate that. Had a great day with AAVE, but back at a high of 14, too high. Waiting for, see if it'll hold back up. Yeah, sure, man. I'll go back to AAVE and recap it in a little bit. Pay more attention to that when I do the recaps, right? Thank you for the awesome donation, bro. You hear the news with Edward Snowden and OXT? Nope, I didn't hear those news. Again, bearish divergence, right? Action down. Sorry, man. I didn't hear those news, man. And from here, and from here to here as well, right? Some hidden bullish. Actually, the upside, that's fine. We haven't created anything bearish. High, low, positive, positive, high, low, right? It's all good here. Again, it's just consolidating up, sloping slightly. Dude, I'm trying to find something. I'm going to have to zoom in more. High. Right. Slightly higher. Positive. More positive. Low. And there's the hard point, right? So from here to here, nothing bearish. Now I'm going from here to here. 789 and 86. So slightly higher also. Higher and higher on the other side. Dude, nothing bearish right now. Neutral 57.27. Again, bouncing at the 20, holding very nice support. And again, I would just say this is consolidating. It's up sloping. It is sort of like a fallen wedge. I don't like that part, right? He's saying the privacy summit. Interesting. Wasn't he supposed to be in jail for like being a whistleblower or something like that? I'm not sure. I hadn't kept up with a lot of things with him. Or it might be an upsloping channel that we're within. And again, this brings exhaustion, so we could be looking for actually a downside potentially, right? That is that for OXT right now. Again, potential. I'm not calling that right now. Markets in general are super bullish. Elio, what's up, dude? Thank you for being here.
What's up?
Let's go to SNX. Yeah, thank you, Dancy. I'm gonna take a little look more in depth, just to make sure that I didn't miss anything, dude. SNX, we had bearish divergence again. You know, we're still creating that bearish divergence. This just tracks onto that high now, and this just still tracks here to 0, and this still tracks onto here. So potential action downside, we're moving down slightly. Here on this one, we did hit that 20. Now we're trying to hit that 20. We're not quite there yet. But as you can see, we're getting that exhaustion, right? Like we are going high, and now we're even struggling to go higher. Like from here to here was fine. Here was fine, you know, fine. And now it's like, I'm too weak. So we're starting to see this exhaustion happening. We have to retest that 20, right? You can even see here the curve of the price starts to like to flatten out a little bit, right? To not be so steep. So we're really starting to see this start to curve off a little bit. Again, it's at $17.28. Some potential action to downside. We might hit that 20 at $16.09. Neutral at 59.54. You know, it's still on a bull trend. So again, the bearish indicators have a lesser chance of playing out. Could go down, hit that 20, or run again, right? We'll see on other time scales. Let's go to the 4-hour. 4-hour, we had this hidden bullish, which got deleted when this thing didn't save the charts. So here we go. Hidden bullish, high low, positive, high low. Neutral at 51.53. That's it, dude. That's hidden bullish, popping slightly, coming back down, hitting that 20. Let's go to the 1-hour chart. On the 1-hour chart, we had this hidden bullish. When up, hit the 20, drop lower. Oh, this one didn't anchor. Wonder where it's from. 4-hour. Go back to the 4-hour. Right, so the first thing I'm looking at is this move here, right? Low, lower, low. And then negative, less negative, right? So we're reading that action to the offset, which is giving us this very nice pump. High. Slightly higher, dude. If you just want to say that this size was motion, that's fine. But I'm definitely seeing this going slightly higher than high to low here, right? So with that, again, I forgot to anchor, dude. Dang it. There we go. It's just a mess of a day, man. It's just one of those days. Yeah, and when I said it's just one of those days, it really reminded me of Limp Bizkit. It says just one of those days when you don't want to wake up. Everybody sucks. You don't really know why, but you just want to justify ripping someone's head off. Yeah, it's just freaking one of those days, man, where I'm like super tired, man. It's weird. It's a weird day. It's a weird day, man. Like, I'm gonna keep rolling, dude. Let's keep going in here. Again, bearish divergence, section of downside. We also have it against the RSI. Great. Low, high, negative, less negative, low, high. Neutral at 52.31. That's it for SNX. Let's go to GTO, man. GTO, the great teacher Onizuka. Throwing it back with the Limp Bizkit. Yeah. Limp Bizkit. High, higher, high, positive, more positive, high, higher. Negative, less negative, high, higher. Nothing bullish, dude. Again, GTO, GIFTO. The great teacher Onizuka. What is this coin doing, dude? I'm not sure. It started to pump out of the blue. Yo, my man, Blue. What was that movie? Old School, when Blue dies, and Will Ferrell said the casket. Like, you're my man, Blue. There we go. So we're retracing. We're below that 786 at approximately whatever this is worth, 3.34 cents right now at 3.02. Yo, right? It's good then. Well, no, why Limp Bizkit did it, right? It was all for the Nuki. Or that's what he said. According to him, it was all for the Nuki. So, yeah, nothing here that is bearish. Let's go to the 4-hour. Right, going higher, more positive, higher. Short term, some bearish divergence. And it's just from here to here. And we're already getting that moving down, right? So again, it's kind of playing out already. Or bought at 72.45. Let's go to the 1 hour chart, man. The Nightbot doesn't like you tonight. I'm sorry about that. Nightbot's crazy, dude. Yeah. What is this? 86.29 and 85. Great. Some strong bearish divergence here. Also, you can see our size just barely there, man. No, from here to here. I forgot to anchor. There's just 2 lines, though. There we go. There, man, right? So some strong bearish divergence. Action to downside, moving down, hitting that 618 or close to it, bouncing, rejecting the 786, and now we're right on the middle of that channel between the 618 and the 786. Neutral at 58.96. So again, we could go either way on GTO. It would be really nice if it actually dropped here again. It was going to find support at the 20 and the 618. Maybe create some hidden bullish divergence, right, on making negative momentum, and then we'll go low, high, negative, more negative, and try to go for like another pump there, maybe. That's what I'm finding here for GTO. Now let's go to UTK, man. Yo, Buttocks, should you ask your dad to buy you more Bitcoin Ethereum? Interesting. You should, maybe, I'm not sure. Entirely up to you, man. How you want to, whether or not you want to add more. UTX, bearish divergence we had yesterday. Action to downside, started to move down today, so that's fine. Bought at 69.89. Let's go to the 4 hour. Higher, positive, more positive, high, higher. Then it would drop down. Low, high. What is this? 8. So nothing bullish right now. Nothing else was this bearishness. Move here, low. Hit that 20, bounce. That's that. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. All right, so I'm looking for something here, and I found it. It's some hidden divergence and hidden bullish. So we got the pop, hit the 20. See how on hidden divergence, sometimes we just go to the 20 and then we reject. And I was trying to find that example yesterday. I couldn't find it, but here's a nice example of this. So into here, right? But here in this last bit against the MACD, I'm actually going to go from here to here. Right, so low, lower, low. And negative, less negative, some strong bullish divergence. Actually, to the upside, we could be trying to get another crack at that 20. We'll see how that's going to go, man. That's it for UTK, dude. Let's recap some coins. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and AAVE. So Bitcoin, great. It already came and found support at 37,293. We called that at the beginning of the stream, remember? We are amazing. We called that at the beginning of the stream. We said, look, it has bearish divergence. It might go down, hit that support. What did it do? It went down, hit that support and bounced. Very close to it, actually. 37,418. What is the low here? Yeah, 37,418. I have it at 37,393, right? So like within 30 bucks. And here the lowest it hit was 37,413 as well. We're at 37,393. Very close, dude. Again, couple of dollars off, right? So not by a lot. Yo, Double B, what's up, man? Thanks for being here.
What's up?
You're catching me on a very awkward day. The stream is usually not this slow paced. It's just I'm super tired, man. Thank you for being here again. I appreciate y'all for that. And to you all that are here on this chat, I'll tell you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you for this awesome support that you're giving this channel, man. You like the new soundboard? Yeah, me too, man. Lets me do many more things for the stream that are so entertaining, man. Low, high, negative, less negative, low, high. Great. Bought at 63.41. That's it. For Bitcoin, right? So up to Ethereum now. Ethereum, again, same move. I was calling a move to the 20. We didn't quite hit there. Looks like we've actually found some support here, which is awkward. I mean, we don't have a lot of history in Ethereum at this level. It's just that where we found support would have been this candle here, more or less, or the bottom of this candles, but I don't have anything else back here. So, you know, it's not really where you would want to find support. You at least want to get some confirmations. Like, for example, here, right? Rejected around this area, held support around this area for a little bit, then held support here again at this area. So that's usually how you want to find support here. You're not really finding that much support. It's pumping up a little bit. The half-hour hidden bullish might be getting us, yeah, it's getting us over that 20. We'll see if we want to go on higher, but just take into account that when we go higher, we're getting exhausted from just climbing, right, for this insane climb. So we could get to that point where we go higher, go high, higher, high, and then create some very little positive momentum, and then get exhausted and move down. So just be careful for that. Someone asked about whether or not they should sell. Oh, it was Wesley. So I'm not sure, Wesley. You should, you know, take some profits. Maybe I'm not sure, dude. It's entirely up to you, man. For Ethereum, let's go to AAVE again, just for good order's sake, and just to see what we had there, man. AAVE at 406, also recovering a little bit for the rest of the projects. That's really good. So again, on the daily, we had strong bearish divergence, right? So we just said that we could move down on the daily, right? Dan C. So on the daily, we had it, we called it. So on the daily, strong bearish divergence, potential fracture to downside. The market is super bullish, so there's a chance it might not play out. Like here, it didn't play out, right? Just moved down slightly and pumped again. But again, I do believe we're gonna get exhausted of this at some point in time. All right, let's go to the 4 hour. 4 hour last thing we had was this bullish divergence. We haven't created anything since. Look, high, higher. Went insanely high, more positive, higher on there. I say overbought at 81.34. When we're overbought and we don't have any kind of divergence, usually we want to tend to come back down slightly to get back onto this bot area, right? Or the neutral zone before I actually try to run again. So again, just be careful with that. And on the 1 hour, right? On the 1 hour, we also didn't have anything bearish. Last thing we had was this bearish here, moved down slightly and then pumped, high, higher, positive, positive. Everything's good here, right? On the 1 hour. And it almost looks like a really almost perfect like curve. I'm gonna go from here and see if I can do this, man. I'll probably have to like rethink about that curve, but like if we anchor here, right, and then it goes like this, like that curvature here, it's really cool. Although that's not how you want to draw the parabolics, right? You want to go from the lowest point to high, right? So maybe around here would be a parabola where we would start, and then right here would be the parabola we want to start. Go something like this. So we're far away from that parabola, right? We'll see, man. Again, you know, starting to flag, right? Consolidating at this level, impulse up, consolidation. We talked about looking like consolidation. I remember that part. So could go for another leg up, right? Now I'm gonna go and look at Binance. Right on. So let's get the Binance going, man. Which is the Binance chart that we look at? We haven't looked at Binance in a couple days, I think. Yeah. Nope, this is not the Binance chart we look at. This one. Nope. Damn, what happened with my Binance chart, man? Might be this one. Did I delete a lot of stuff on Binance? Dude, it looks like all my Binance data is gone for some reason. So we'll go with this one, I guess. So hidden bullish. Then we had strong bearish here. That's fine. High, higher, positive, more positive, high on the other side to our point. From back here, though, right? So from here to here. And high to low. So we have strong bearish divergence sort on the daily. But again, at 53.02, very close to its new all-time highs here at 55.60. Let's go to the 4 hour chart. Look, we're making strong bearish divergence, right? Then from here to here, right? So strong bearish divergence against MACD and the RSI, right? MACD and RSI, strong bearish divergence, potential fracture to the downside. Moving down might get us to a 20, that 20 being at $50.27. Not even that big of a move right now. And on that note, let's move on to the 1 hour chart. See what we have there, man. ADA has a lot of upside potential. I know. I'm not sure if I'm going to get through it tonight, guys. Again, just the list that's up there, and like I said, I'm feeling really tired today, so I might take it off for the last 10 coins. You know, I'm still going to be here tomorrow. I might check 1 or 2 more projects. I'm not sure, dude. We'll see. We'll see when that time comes. Still got to move through a couple projects, but we actually have 4 more projects to go. Send that back to daily. There we are. So here we had some bearish divergence, and that's fine. I already played. Move this down slightly. We had against the MACD and the RSI, right? Move down, hit that 20 pop. And went slightly higher, created more bearish divergence. All right, so from here to here. From here to here. And from here to here, right? And now we low, high, negative, or negative, hidden bullish. Great. So it is doing things. It's doing some things. Goes over against the RSI from here to here. Great. And low, high, negative, less, negative, low, high, right? Or low, lower. So more hidden bullish just against the RSI here on this last bit. In here. And that, you know, actually the upside. Great. So now we can go from one island to the next, right? So from one island to the next, we're going higher. Definitely going to be coming much lower here, man.
To thank you for the recap of AAVE and because it bounced back and I didn't panic sell low. Also, hoping you'll check out some polygonal smart wall lights, haha.
Yo, bro! Dan, thank you very much for that, man. I really appreciate it, dude.
Say it with me.
Legendary, man.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
And a high horn, man. Why not, dude? Thank you for that, man. I really appreciate that awesome donation, dude. Yeah, that's the lighting goal is actually what comes through Super Chat. I had to remove it because he was getting so many data points there. It went to like 1,000 decimal places. I'm not sure. For some reason, the script is broken and I can't find where to fix it. So that I removed that goal for the meantime. So interesting, right? It's just very weird that it's going there. But yeah, we're gonna get lights as well. Lights and chair, I guess that's the goals that we have right now. Yeah, we'll figure out if there's gonna be polygonal lighting, or you know, some LifeX beams. I'm still trying to figure out like what light I'm gonna put back there. Probably gonna put it on the chat for the Discord for voting or something. Let's see. It's a very community-driven channel. So if you guys haven't joined us on Discord, join us there. Like, do we have a chair discussion? We might start a light discussion channel or thread or whatever. So bearish divergence, right? Potential action downside moving down. Would be very nice if you hit that 20 and bounced, which shows some strength. We don't have anything else building, unfortunately, but that's it for Binance. Let's go to Zilliqa. What did I say? Polygonal? I said polygonal or whatever, dude. I'm like gone. I'm done, dude. I'm tired. Zilliqa. Let's go Zilliqa. There we go, man. Looking on the daily. Oh, we're looking for bearish divergence, I guess. No, this is the confirmation line. It should have been in blue. It should have been in blue. There we go. There we go. So we're hitting that that line and we're rejecting. We're also hitting that 236, right? Or close to that 236, I think. What do we have up here, dude? 786. So we're above the 786 and we're heading to 100%. That's great. Again, do we have something here? High, higher, high, high, slightly higher. Nothing bearish. I'm not seeing anything bearish here. Getting potential double bottom here. Now it actually became like a triple bottom, sorta. Right, with this last bit here, like this. So it's like that tree booby lady from Mallrats, or is it Mallrats where they go and there's that fortune teller that had 3 boobies or whatever? Can't remember that movie very well, but anyways, neutral at 58.23. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. No. Cryptoman 5000. It's just exposing them to be a group of friends that coordinatedly agree to buy and sell, and maybe even freak prices every now and then. So strong bearish divergence against the MACD. And on that, we're moving down. Total recall. Yeah. Total recall also had that lady. Mallrats. Yeah, Mallrats also, dude. Yeah, no worries, Jerome. Thank you for being here. Much appreciated, man. Low, high. What is this, dude? 14, 12, negative, less, negative, low, high. Nothing bullish, dude. Hitting that 20, which is very nice. I hope we can find support and bounce higher. That's going to be really good for Silica. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. Again, I forgot to anchor. Dang it. I don't think I'm going to be able to go through other coins today, guys. I might do one more maybe, or two. I'm not sure. Let's get this rolling, dude. High, slightly higher high. And here we're definitely coming slightly lower, right? Above Mo, doing the 3 booby lady. Strong bearish divergence, action to the downside. Low, high, negative, less negative, low, and there's the lower point. All right, some hidden bullish building here. Great. Hidden bullish, actually the upside. That's awesome, dude. That's what we have right now. We might get again to this area. Try to find support or resistance here. Sorry, and whatever this line we drew, confirmation line for the triple bottom or whatever we're calling it now. That is that, man. Silica gone. Algorand. Algo at 72. Awesome. My nose hurts. Oh, only 126 likes? Come on. If you guys like what we do, hit the like button on the sub. Join us in the Discord. Links in the description. Hook us up with the likes. Yo, what else, man? Let's keep rolling, man. Algorand. Again, we're looking for the bearish divergence. Move slightly down, hit support, and then we pumped more again. Hitting the previous high, I would say. Yeah, previous all-time high of 76. We did hit that area again on Algorand. We actually got to what's the high here? 76.1. So great. Right now it's 72. So we're rejecting that previous high. Have we created anything? Yeah, this bearish divergence just tracks to here, and this just tracks on to there. Like I said, super bullish, right? It did break down slightly, getting over at 786 and then bouncing, which is really nice, right? Look at that. We hit that 786 almost on dots. Support, resistance twice, find support, and then popped. Bought at 67.24. Let's go to the 4 hour. Dude. There we are. 4 hour chart. Strong bearish divergence. Potential action to downside. We don't have it against our side. Just against the MACD. We're moving down slightly on that. Low, high, negative, less, negative, low, high. Nothing happening here on the 4 hour besides this strong bearish. Just moving us down slightly, like I said. Let's wait for this to continue. It would be really nice if it comes hit the 20. We create some kind of hidden bullish maybe. And pumped. We'll see yet. Neutral of 64.22. And on the 1 hour. What? Above Mo. Do you guys know Martin's a fortune teller by day? Yeah, fortune teller. The future is bright. It says don't get wrecked. Avoid getting wrecked. Slightly higher. There we go, man. and then low to high, and negative, more negative, right? That's that again. Yeah, you asking for predictions. I know, dude. I missed that lesson when I went to school. There was no divination classes, right? I forgot. I didn't go to Howard, so I didn't get like that crazy teacher to teach me to divine the future or read the tea leaves. Thank you for being here and joining me tonight again. Let's keep rolling. That's it for Algo, right? So I'm hitting bullish, taking that pump at the 20, which is really good. Let's see if we can manage to get higher and get higher in the previous high. If we fail to get higher in the previous high again, potential movement down. We'll see what's going to happen here. Zoom, zoom. Thank you for being here, man. What's that? Colin Fitzgerald. They give scenarios and targets. What? Who gives scenarios and targets, man? I missed the conversation, man. Sorry. Either that or it just went completely over my head. I'm not sure what you're asking, dude, or what you're telling me here. They give scenarios and target who? Andrew Buck, how you learn? Join us in the Discord. Come here. You know. They give scenarios and targets, not predictions. Oh. You want me to give scenarios and targets? I give him plenty of scenarios and targets, man. But, you know, particular for other assets, not this. It's managing to hold very nice. Your support on Algorand. Do we have something going farther back, man? I'm not even sure. Let's go to daily. Yeah, probably over here we might have something, so. Oscar Mayorga, what, ADA? Shh. Yeah, we haven't done that one yet. Not on the list. It didn't make it. It didn't make the cut, man. Zoom in here because now we're up on this levels and we haven't done anything for Algorand right now. So the high would be the main target that we want to aim for right now. That'll be this one here. And we'll put another one here, which is where we actually worked. So I'll DOGE. Areas of resistance, something here, I'll DOGE. And do we have something here? Not liking it, but it could work, I'll DOGE. Right, health support, support resistance, right? Resistance, support, resistance. So yeah, I'll go with those targets right now. Did for what asset is that you're wanting targets to the upside, man? I didn't get it, so thank you for asking though. You're explaining to people asking for advice. Oh, all right, cool. Yeah, I wasn't sure what you were like needed me to do or look at. So, how high did I distribute those lines, dude? Did I? I went on the daily. That's why they're on the 1 hour. Here we go. All right, so as you can tell, now we find areas for support and resistance that we hadn't drawn before. Great. How do we do that? Well, we went back to the past. So let me do this in automatic. It's gonna draw it a little bit better. Here we go. Look, we resisted here again at 70, right? Held support briefly. Resistance here at 67. Resistance at 67, right? Resistance a while, broke. Held resistance at 70, then became support. Now we move up to the next target. We already hit 74.66, which is the previous to the all-time high, I would say. And then we already hit the all-time high at 75 on a wick. So interesting. Now we're moving down. So right now we're finding support at 70 cents. Target to the upside would be 74, and target to the downside if we break that area would be 67. Right now we're above that 20. Keep looking for some reversal, trying to get higher than the previous high. We haven't, like I haven't done for some of these projects that look back to see for resistance and support. Particularly some of them don't have them, but it should take more time to do those later on. Let's get GRT out here, man. The graph. Right, so the graph, let's go on the daily. Look, we had bearish divergence. Remember what I told you guys is going really bullish, like the bearish indicator might play out. We did go down slightly, pumping back up. Look, we're going here. We're still coming from high to low, so we still have that strong bearish divergence against the MACD. Nothing really against the RSI, and that's that, right? I mean, it can still go on bullish. The 1618 target is at 107. Right now, we're sitting at 85.60. So let's go to the 4 hour. Right. Last thing we had here was a hidden bullish taking a small pop. And again, like a couple of the cryptos, dude. I was gonna say something else. It's just like, yeah, my brain and my mouth are not coordinating. Hello again. Positive momentum starting to be built. New positive momentum island building overbought at 71.03. We can still go higher, make more positive momentum. That wouldn't be bad. If that's what it wants to do. If it comes down in price, we're probably gonna undo the cross that we're making, make negative momentum. We'll see how we're gonna do with this, right? So that's it for the graph on the 4 hour. Again, potential fraction of downside. If we do, might hit that 20 moving average. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. I mean, the strawberry divergence, extra downside potentially, right? Trying to get a little bit of that negative momentum coming in. We could still pump a little bit more and still have this bearish divergence. Wouldn't be the end of the world for this. Low, high, negative, less negative, low, high. Nothing bullish here. Again, just pumping, right? That's fine. High, 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 positive. We're doing less positive. No, more positive to here. So that's fine. Nothing bearish on the past, just this short-term bearish divergence that we have right now. And again, potential fraction of downside. The project's still super bullish. You could still go on higher. A lot of people were calling this the something. Did you hear about the F2 pools? No, I didn't, man. Let's see for the graph. So someone requested earlier FTM, but I wrote it down. So I'm just gonna do FTM real quick, ADA. And link, and that's gonna be it. Mainly because I'm interested in link and ADA. And someone was talking about Atom. I'm not gonna be able to do Atom. You might already did. I might just recap it, I guess. On the recap. So thank you for asking about that. Blue Bear highlights. Thank you for this, man. I really appreciate y'all. Let's go for FTM. Look, we're looking for the bearish divergence. We pull back down. We still have that bearish divergence going here. That just tracks onto there. And this tracks onto here. Strong bearish divergence. Potential fraction to downside. That's that for FTM on the day. Let's go to the 4 hour. We had the hidden bullish. Taking that new pop. High, low. Positive, positive, high, low. Hidden bearish. Against the RSI. From me to here. Right. High to low. And, low to high, right? So hidden bearish, moving down on that. Now trying to carry back up. That's fine. Neutral at 56.85. We don't have anything else besides that hidden bearish. Let's go to the 1 hour, man. Yo. Let's see this one here. What's up, dude? What?
Can we look at BTT/USD? I'm a little over leveraged, eyes. Also, I'm getting 3% BTC back on this purchase low now. I do make profit because of Martin's analysis. Much appreciated, heart. Also Crypto Fam Discord.
Yo, Jake, dude, thank you very much for that awesome support, dude. I really appreciate that $10 donation, dude. You're legendary.
With me. Legendary.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
And Elvis, thank you. And a couple one-ups. And hi, porn man. Thank you, Jake, for that awesome donation, dude. I really appreciate that. Thank you very much for the support. Man, you're always here every night. After that, we're going to go check out BTT, I guess. Oh, by the way, guys, again, Jake is a goat. If you guys haven't done it, Jake also has a channel. I already talked about this plenty of times in the other videos, but he has a really cool channel where he does top 10 subreddits for Bitcoin. So if you guys haven't done that yet, you should definitely go check out his channel, which is really cool, man. Right. So, let's finish FTM. So you can go and check out Jake's project. So we started to pump a little bit here on the hidden bullish, right? So we had the strong bearish, move down, now creating hidden bullish. We're hitting that 20. We're struggling to get above that area. And neutral at 54.08 on the RSI, right? So again, we're getting that hidden bullish again, potential fraction to the upside. Let's see what we're gonna do there. Hitting that 20 again. Injecting slightly. Let's go to ADA, man. I'm sorry, not ADA, BTT. I messed that one up. BTT. Put it on the list. Awesome. Let's keep going, dude. Right, so BTT, we're looking for some kind of bearish divergence. We were at the 618. We did pump a little bit more in the day. That's fine. We actually pumped a lot more and then pulled back. But, you know, we still have this strong bearish divergence. We have not shaken it off yet. Bought at 67.67. And we are between that 786 at around 0.00048 cents. Sorry, not 0.00048 cents. It's 0.048 cents and 0.043 cents. So bearish divergence, potential fraction of downside. Let's go to the 4-hour, man. See what we had here. What's the low estimate? Right now, potentially, you could try to find support here at the 618 at 436, 0.000436. Right, the 1 hour might give us a better clue as to where we could go, though. So I'm actually gonna go to the 4 hour and the 1 hour and see where we're at. What is this? 770 and 8. Right, so high, higher, positive, high, higher. Here we're looking for that bearish divergence. You move down slightly, which is fine. Then it took a massive pump, and we no longer have any bearish divergence, right? If we wanted to track, we remove it because we no longer have bearish divergence in the 4 hour. Bought at 63.46. So again, it's clear. It's pulling back down, probably from the divergence on the 4 hour. It wouldn't be weird. Maybe from the 1 hour we were to find something here. I'm actually going to send this one to the 1 hour just to make sure. See if we can find something here. But I'm looking at something here on the 1 hour. Moving down, low, high. High, low. Great. Some hidden bullish against the RSI, but that's about it. That's from here to here and from here to here. I gotta anchor this in the 4, man. Have this in the 4 hour chart. There we go, man. And also here. You have 6 million BTC leverage with liquidation at 43186. What? Oh, so you're very close to the area, man. That sucks. I was looking for some kind of divergence here, right? From here to maybe here. I'm not sure we're going to get it, though. I was just trying to see if we're going to have something. I wanted to look at the same area. We have it against RSI, though. High to low, right? Low to high, high to low. Bearish divergence. Strong action to downside. Moving down, hitting that 20, and we're creating some hidden bullish, and that's why we're trying to like hold support here at the 20. We're hit it once, rejected it, right? We're opening below that 20. So it's interesting for DT here, man. What's up?
DOGE is spiking.
Sure, man. Thank you very much, KPT123, man. I really appreciate that, man.
Say it with me.
Legendary, man. Thank you very much for that, man. I really appreciate that. You get the one up, and Elvis, thank you, man.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, let's keep rolling, man. What's up, Casper, man? So, after VTT, we'll check out DOGE. Apparently, it's spiking. Someone's spiking the DOGE. Jake, it's an area where you could try to move down slightly, right? I'm gonna see if I can bring the these lines that I have here over to the 1 hour and the 4 hour chart and see where they're at. You said you had your out somewhere at 4.3 something. Interesting. Interesting. I just want to check this line here. Could try to find some support around this area. Look, here we resisted twice, right? Resisted once more. I mean, we found support at 618, which is the most important one, but here we already wicked it once. So might be some support at 441, right? You're in 1080p for this. Cool, man. Again, you have the hidden bullish. If it doesn't get above that 20, yeah, there's a chance it might try to move lower, right? And it could still run this channel from the 618 to 786, right? But again, below 20 at the best. The 4 hour, we're like 20 is really low, right? So we don't want to see that on the 4 hours. Some of this from the 1 hour, dude. I forgot the anchor. I guess that should do the trick, man. Maybe this one here also, dude. What? I have a mess here, dude. I have a lot of lines that make no sense. This one is here. Yeah, this one's here. Right, so we have that hidden bullish. So we have the hidden bullish in the 4 hour and the 1 hour. Let's see if we can materialize this to a pump. But if we really reject that 20, yeah, we could be looking for an action to the downside on BTT, man. Now let's go to DOGE, dude. DOGE or DOGE. What did we say? It was yesterday, DOGE? I can't remember what the thing called it, but we settled an argument yesterday by using Google Voice or TTS. I'll just call it Doggy. Dog. I know. Oh, man. Hold your crypto for 366 days in Germany and zero taxes. That's pretty cool. Right. So let's get a DOGE. Let's see what it's doing, dude. Yeah, it's pumping a little bit. 4 cents. It's fine. It's above that 786, which is, again, we closed there yesterday. Where did we close? 3722. We have it at 3734. So close enough. You know, opening there, moving up, high, low, positive, high, low. Nothing here on the daily. Let's go to the 4 hour. No high, positive. Yeah, everything here is good so far. Yep. Even here, positive. More positive, right? So I'm not seeing anything bearish or bullish on DOGE. She's moving sideways, getting above an area. That's fine. Maybe the 1 hour looks like blue. Maybe. Let's see. Low, high, negative, less negative, low, and there's a hard point. Nothing here. Low, high, a little more positive, high, higher. Nothing here. Overbought. That's in 597. Let's see back here. High, low, positive, high. Yeah, some hidden bearish starting to develop. That's about it, though, right? I mean, I'm not seeing a lot on DOGE, by the way. It's going up a little bit, and that's fine. There we go. DOGE at 4 cents. 4.12 cents. Anyways, let's do ADA and Link, and that's gonna be it, guys. I'm closing with those two. Again, guys, if you like what we do, hit like button, sub. Thank you all for being here. I appreciate y'all. Let's go ADA. A lot of people into ADA. We're not gonna do markets today, guys. I'm just like, yeah. ADA to Bitcoin, ADA to US dollar. Here we go. What do we have on the daily? Right, so we're looking for the bearish divergence, right? Action to downside, we did get it slightly higher, that's fine. That tracks onto there, that tracks still there, that's fine. Strong bearish divergence, potential fraction to downside at 43.72 cents, again, above that 236, which is really good. Sorry, not the, is it the 36? No, the 2618, that's where we're above. So let's go to the 4 hour. Look, we had the bearish divergence, we did move down, right? We try to pump, how are we going lower? Yeah, high to low, positive, high, low. Neutral, sorry, bought at 64.15. Actually, gotta check this close here. This open 44293, 44289, so slightly lower. That's fine. So not finding a lot here on ADA. So again, that's nice. It's holding on to support at 40 cents. Last time it went close to it. Well, let's go to the 1 hour chart. Right, some strong bearish divergence. High, higher high, right? And we're coming from even here, right? High to low. So strong bearish divergence, potential fraction to downside we have against the MACD and the RSI, right? Here we're gonna check if we created some bullish divergence here. Post stream, yeah, definitely, right? From here. And from here, so strong bullish divergence at a support at 236. Giving us support with strong bullish divergence. We took that pop. Right now we're creating that strong bearish divergence, moving down slightly. Trying to sustain the 20, which is the only good thing it has going on for it. Low, high, negative, less negative. Low, high as well. So that's it, dude. Right, some strong bearish divergence, trying to hold on to that 20. Again, we could start to consolidate this area on Cardano, the 43 cent, 40 cent, 41 cent mark, right? So that's fine. Again, not seeing anything else that is worrying right now. Let's go to link, man. Link. All right, so Link's still pumping. That's good, right? So again, it's starting to create strong bearish divergence on the daily. From here to here, we're definitely coming up higher. You can tell that every time we're going higher, the pumps are not as strong. So that could be Eunice clue that we're having some kind of exhaustion, right? Buyer exhaustion going on here. We're bought at 62.41. Recap, you might, sure, man. I'll do recaps after I finish Link, right? I forgot to go through Yuma. I'll recap Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Yuma, man. Thanks for reminding me. Blue Bear. Anyways, strong bearish divergence, potential fraction to downside. Let's go to the 4 hour chart. We had this hidden bullish, taking a small pop. Fell drop lower on the previous low. Now we're going higher. The previous, yep, slightly higher. Great, that works. The data side was motion, right? And then slightly higher, and yeah, we have some islands. I don't. That's not gonna work. High, higher, positive, more positive, high, higher. That's great, dude. Nothing bearish here. Last one we had was this bullish. That's it. Sorry. Low, lower, negative, more negative, low, lower. Yeah, that's fine. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. We had that strong bearish. We did come down here, and in that move, we created some strong bullish. Look from here to here on strong bullish range. We just hadn't revisited this in a couple of days. That's why we don't have any data here. But from here to here, and low to high on their side, right? Negative, less negative on the MACD. Strong bullish, taking that very nice rally. Now, definitely coming up higher here, right? And look at this, right? High to low. So strong bearish divergence against the MACD. Moved down slightly. All right, might have created some hidden bullish. Let's see. Slightly less. So no hidden bullish. We did hold support at the 20, pumped once more. And in that pump, we created more strong bearish divergence, right? Here to here. All right. This is positive momentum. Although it's tiny, it's almost non-existent, but it's positive momentum right there. I think yes. And from here to here, right? strong bearish divergence, actually downside, bring them below that 20. Right now we're going to face this resistance. Low, lower, negative, more negative, low on the other side to lower point. On the other side, low to high still, so nothing hidden. No hidden bullish. Thank you, Jema. Appreciate that. That's it. That's it for Link. Quick recaps, and then we're done for tonight. Let's go to Bitcoin. Again, starting to pump a little bit, which is really good. Finding support where we drew it, which is really, really cool because we didn't have a lot to go on for the support, right? So I just kind of gauged where it could be. I mean, we have that information way back here, but we don't have a lot of information at this area, so it's good to see that we're holding on support. Looks like we just rejected very close to 38,000, so we'll see if we manage to go up higher. That'll be really nice. I mean, we're gonna get exhausted. It's all up-sloping motion. Gets exhausted at some point in time. We're gonna break down, so it wouldn't be weird. We could carry this on to 40K, right? If it were allowed, and then we could see a drop from there, right? What? Yo.
Thanks for the TA. Can you talk about why this bull run overall looks like it's gonna last, versus being the complacency phase after a big top? New guy here trying to hang on to these profits.
Yo, the Joel Bear. Thank you very much for being here, man.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary, man. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
You get a couple one-ups here, man. The hype one, man. I appreciate that, dude. Oh, thank you very much for the awesome $10 donation. Why? That's a quick question to answer, man. Because now we have institutional investors on board. Last time we didn't have institutional investors. It was just people. So it was a big FOMO. People bought in. A lot of people started selling, panic selling, and the market went down. Now we don't have that, right? Now we have institutions coming into play. We're having companies like, who was it that today? MicroStrategies. That are coming in and they're holding on and they're bringing banks to talk, and the banks are also bullish, and people from Deloitte saying that they're seeing more customers holding on to crypto, and that more even regular businesses want to get into crypto. So there's a lot more people getting into crypto. Think about it. Last time we didn't have major companies like Grayscales or MicroStrategies or Maras or Riots. We didn't have PayPal doing this, right? We didn't have banks trying to hold crypto also. So it's a big different it's a big difference from last time, right? And that's why we're seeing this hold a little bit better than other times, is because more people are getting into it. And yeah, like Jake says, the more people that are here, the less volatility that we should be seeing, maybe. So we'll see. Anyways, taking a bounce, which is really good. What would it take for it to look different? Institutions selling, probably, which I don't think is going to be the case. They're going to keep on amassing. So for institutions, this was a party trip, right? They were buying on sale, bro. And now you're seeing this go up, and they're like, oh man, I'll get a bag almost at regular price again. I want to go to the half hour. Oh, look, we created that which we hinted or talked about. Great. So Bitcoin created a hidden bullish. Awesome. And that's why it's trying to rally. But it's above the 20, which is good. The question is it going to get higher than the previous high? We don't know that yet. And we have this hidden bullish against the MACD and the RSI, man. Let's go to Ethereum. Ethereum at 1,672, man, is also trying to make another climb. Low, high, negative, less, negative, low, high. So we don't have anything against the 1 hour, but let's go here. We had that hidden bullish on Ethereum. Look at that. We're getting that pop happening. Very nice. Neutral at 59.15. We got above the 20, which is the key where we wanted to be above, and now we're trying to move up higher. Someone was telling me whether or not they should hold. Again, guys, I cannot give you advice to whether or not you should be holding an asset or not. It's entirely up to you. Let's go to Yuma. The Joel Bear, dude, I hope that answers your question, man. we not do Yuma today, or do I have another Yuma chart? Because this one looks barren, or it's a half hour. That's why. Ha. Right. So someone's saying something about Ethereum 15-minute head and shoulder inverse. I'm gonna go check it out right after I do this. Right. Let's go to Yuma. Nothing happening here. Moving down slightly, hitting that 1618, trying to hold on to this area, going between that 2618 and the 1618. Neutral at 51 point. Sorry, not neutral. Overbought at 91.20, so it's highly overbought. Big chance it might want to come down. Let's go to the 4 hour. 4 hour again. Look at that, holding that support on the 1618. Very nice. High higher, positive, more positive, high higher. Nothing bearish. Overbought at 89.33. So again, also highly overbought. Chance it might want to come back down. Crypto Boss Andrew, thank you for being here, man. Higher, positive, more positive, high, higher. Nothing here on Yuma that is bearish, right? Also coming down again, like I said, it's consolidating this area right now, slightly below that 1618, but it's trying to consolidate here, right? Again, we don't have anything bearish here on Yuma. It just went insanely high, and that's fine. At some point in time, I think we were calling for some kind of divergency here, but then we said, look, it's in a bull trend. There's a big chance it might not play out, so it's not playing out. That's it for Yuma, man. What's up there, Valleys? Why are you puking? Yeah. Yeah, look for the Joel, look for the look for the fundamentals, right? There's a lot of fundamentals that are also driving the market right now, not just the technicals. So back to Ethereum 15-minute, I guess, and that's gonna be it. Oh, taxing the crypto. Oh, interesting. What's the whole thing with like taxing non capital gains or non? Yeah, like, you know how you're gonna get taxed on capital gains that you haven't really cashed out, I guess. I'm not sure what to call it, dude. Right now I'm like done for that terminology, but whatever happened to that, man? Wasn't there supposed to be like some crazy stuff happening? Someone said I Head and Shoulders here inverse. Not seeing a Head and Shoulders here yet. Maybe it was a 5-minute chart. I'm not sure. Yeah, Head and Shoulders. Right, it's there. I don't like it as a Head and Shoulders, but it could work, right? Someone was saying that this was supposed to be a Head and Shoulders in the 5-minute Ethereum, man. Unrealized gains, yes. That's the word, man. That's gonna be insane if you guys allow for that taxation to happen. Plus, it's gonna set a bad precedent for the rest of the world. Not just, it's gonna start in the US, but it's gonna affect the rest of the world at some point in time. It's a horrible neckline, but it works, I guess. They're targeting from low to high, so I'll go from here to here. And the measure move on that would get us to 1,699. Great. So almost the high. Great. Awesome. That's it, dude. Yeah. Yeah, unrealized gain, capital gain tax. That's insane, dude. That's the dumbest thing ever. It's like, I'm gonna tax you before you work. Actually, you were born. You're gonna start working when you're 25, more or less, or maybe 18. I'm gonna start taxing you right now, so that way you're not gonna owe me that much money when you're older. Because, you know, pre-taxation. Why not? Well, you're gonna work at some point in time. Might as well start paying taxes. That way we're gonna have your money ready for when you're old. We can use it to buy you your pills. It's like weird stuff like that. That's gonna be it for tonight, guys. Again, I didn't go through much of the chat right now. I'm not feeling 100%. I'm gonna go take it easy for the rest of the night. I'm gonna go to sleep. It's super early stream. 2 hours and 30 minutes. Thank you for being here, guys. Again, if you really like what we do, hit the like button, the sub. Again, join us at the State of Crypto. I'm your host, Martin. It's a pleasure being here every night, especially today on a Wednesday night. I feel like the content that we produce here tell or talk about crypto to your friends, your family, and to coworkers. Let them know that we are here. Share or tweets. All right. I tweet every day that we're live. Share or tweets. Helps draw more attention to the community. Join us on the Discord. Remember, all the information that we provide here is for education and entertainment purposes only. Don't trade based on what you see here. But I'm sorry, James. I'm not feeling 100% tonight. That's why I'm calling it an early night, bro. But thank you for being here. Yes, remember, all for entertainment and education purpose only. Don't trade based on what you see here. That's going to be all for tonight. I'll catch you again tomorrow for another edition of Instead of Crypto. Until then.